quick beam shots of the BC40. The JetBeam BC40. As you can see, this thing is extremely bright. In fact, I gotta be careful not to hit anybody in the eye. Anybody back here? I want to blind you. Look at that. That's ridiculous. This flashlight's so bright it's reflecting off the door and hitting the ground. Look at that.